Hey guys, it's Emily here. So we have a freaking Disney so kind of unboxing and like haul video. So yeah, so we both went. This is Destiny.
Hello.
You probably saw her in a couple of videos, like friend vlogs and stuff. So yeah, so we each gonna go, like she's gonna do one and I'm gonna do one, show you guys what we got. So yeah, you can start.
See which one I get out first. So I got the emoji pillow. It had like a really good sale though. It was like buy one and get one $2. And this pillow is so soft. I have one like at home, but it's like Mickey Mouse, but it's not like that soft as like this one. It's just the softness, like so good.
And they had like really good discounts, like really good discounts. So yeah, so I'll definitely go hit your Disney So and see if they have any good sales going on. So yeah, so my item, this is my first item that I picked up. I got freaking Minnie Mouse ears, and I love these. It's like metallic. The bow is like metallic blue, and my favorite color is blue. And it keeps like focusing on your face.
I know it's on me.
And yeah, you can see it's like metallic and it's blue, and then this is just like black, you know, like secants, sparkles, and I really love it. I actually saw this on someone did a video and they were showing this, and I was like, oh, this is cute, I kind of want it. And then when I saw it there at the Disney Store, I was like, I have to get it now. It's a sign. And this was actually $7.99, but because of sales going on, I actually got it cheaper than that, which is crazy because, you know, at the Disney parks, this would be $24. So it was such a good deal, and I love it.
I got a bag, and it's with like Mickey and his friends, and it looks like a comic and stuff, and it says Disneyland Resort. I always wanted one of these because like I take one like to like work or like to go to like the amusement parks or like going out of town or something. But yeah, it was a really good deal because I think it was like 25% off. Like originally it was like $17.99, but then it was like around like $4.
Yeah, that's really cool. I didn't really see it when you picked it out.
I like this one.
So the next thing that I picked up is this show, and let me tell you, it's super soft. It's a Tinkerbell show, and Tinkerbell is like one of my favorites. And I love it because it's like black, and I love wearing black, and of course it has green in it, and I just think it's such a cool design, and she's like literally perfect. I love fairies. But yeah, and like I said, it's so soft. It's long sleeves. This would be cute for like fall, winter, and yeah, and I actually got it in an extra small because literally, like, I thought this would be like way too small for me, but it would fit me just right. So some of the sizes were a little bit weird, but luckily, I was able to get it. So yeah, and like this was like really good price as well. This was actually locally $40, and I got it for $59.99. But then again, like it actually took off more of it, so it was less than that. So yeah, super deal. Yeah. But yeah, it's just like so cute. I have to show it again. It's just so cute. I love it. Okay.
That's how cute it is. So since it's like almost like the summertime, I decided to get like new flip-flops. Like it says 1920, so it started with like the whole Disney and everything, and it's like colorful like Mickey Mouse.
Yeah, you gotta do that to try to focus. Don't focus on my face.
No. But yeah, it's so cute. I love this so much. It's so colorful and everything, and since it's like almost around the summertime, I'm probably wearing flip-flops a lot. Oh, so cute.
So the next item, so they had a sale going. Of course, you know, Disney has the cute stuffed animals, of course, because of Disney characters. So yeah, I kind of had to do it, and it was like you get one for $2. So obviously you kind of have to do it. I originally was looking for a Tinkerbell one, but like I couldn't find it. But yeah, but I got something really special for Saw. It kind of has a little sad backstory about it. But this is Stitch, by the way. But anyways, I had a Stitch stuffed animal, and I really wanted to earn money to buy American Girl doll stuff and, you know, other things. And I sold some of my Disney stuffed animals, which includes Stitch, which I really regretted. So they had such a cute Stitch plush, and I have to get it. And it's the Hawaiian one, so he has like little cute, I forget what you call these, but the green leaf going across and then the flowers, and it's super cute, and his ears is so cute, and like the one's like bent too, which is so cute and funny, and he's just like so cute and just soft. And then this is the back of him as well, and he's just super cute. Cute. Aloha.
I wish I was in Hawaii.
Same.
So I also got another stuffed animal, and if you watch the Star Wars The Last Jedi, you'll understand what it is. It's a pork. And when I first saw this on the movie screen, I started freaking out because it looks so cute. But yeah, it was also part of the like buy one get one $2. I think my pillow was the one that got to $2, but it's so soft and so cute, and I love the pork so much. They're so adorable. Is that all yours?
And so this was kind of like, because since it was like, I can get one for $2, this was kind of like an impulse buy kind of thing, because it was like, I don't really need it, but I want it kind of deal. So I forget what its name is, so I'm sorry that I can't see the name because I totally forget. But I got the cute pig from Moana, and I just like locally am in love. Just like so freaking cute. And look at the little tail. So yeah, this is like what the name is. I don't know how you pronounce that, but I'm gonna call it Piggy. So it's gonna be Piggy. So yeah, I don't know if you guys can see that, but yeah, just super cute. Like, oh, just look at its cute little face.
It's so cute.
So cute, and the little tail. And then I love like look at the feet. Because it's just like, I don't know, it's just so cute. It's just like, I just had to. And like, before my boyfriend left to go back to the military training and stuff, the movie that we last watched with Moana, he made me watch it. Because like, I was like, I'm more like a old Disney movie kind of fan. So like, I was like, oh, I'm so bad, but I loved the movie. It was like really great. So yeah, so it kind of like, you know, reminds me of that. So yeah.
Oh, so cute. So I have a really big pin collector. Like I have like a lanyard that has like a bunch of pins in it. And originally I like the Disneyland store or like Disney World, like the pins are like so expensive. Like depends on like the color that they have behind them. So I got a Star Wars one with Poe and BB-8. I don't know if you can see it. Can you see it?
Hopefully. It's like super shiny, so it's kind of hard.
Yeah.
I think they can see it.
You see it? Yeah. So I got this one, and it was $3, which is like so good because pins are so expensive at Disneyland. And then I found one that's from like Finding Nemo, and it says "Find a happy place."
Oh, I didn't even see that one.
Yeah, but
it's so shiny.
Yeah, I know. I don't know why I did that. Yeah.
Can I see that one?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cute. I didn't actually see that one.
Yeah, I did see it too. Like it was like right next to like the Star Wars ones.
I like how they have the little like Mickey thing in the back. That's so cool.
Yeah, I love that too. I don't know if you guys see it, but behind the pins, like a Mickey thing. Yeah, but these were like very cheap, and I like the resorts and stuff. Like they're like so expensive. So
yeah,
this was,
it was
a good
like
deal.
It was crazy. Like how much good these deals were. Like it was like so crazy. Like I'm so glad we went.
Yeah, me too.
But yeah.
That's good.
Is that it for yours?
Yeah, that's mine for me.
So, I got some stuff in the mail. I did do an unboxing of these eels. You probably could see them in the background the whole time because I actually just took notes to it. But I just unboxed the freaking rose gold eels. I love them so much. I was eyeballing these like so many times through people's Instagrams and stuff like that. And I saw they came out with it on the DisneyShow.com, and I just had to grab a pair. So these are just super cute. I'll link down below like the link to the videos so you can watch me unbox them. So yeah, so now I have another like unboxing kind of video that I'm going to include to it. But I got something on eBay. This is from the Disney, you can get this at the Disney Store too, but they look like just sold out of it. So I had to get it on eBay. So luckily I saw it because I was going to buy it and then they sold out of it and then I found it on eBay. So at least I found it. So yeah. So one of my favorite Disney movies, like a new one, would be Bolt. I just love that. Like that movie is just like so cute. I love like animal movies, and I just like it was just like really special because I really loved Miley Cyrus and she plays the voice of Penny. So it was just like a lot of childhood. Just like I just loved the movie and like the DS game. I just loved it all. So yeah, I'm gonna open it right now. It's so cute. I don't even see. Oh my god, it's really cute. Too cute. He's like the blanket, like a blanket one. The blanket pets. I forget, the blanket babies, I think it's called.
Oh, yeah.
But yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god, he's a lot bigger than what I thought he was gonna be. So there's Bolt. Oh my god. I have like all the Bolt stuffed animals too. So this is like the baby Bolt. Oh my god. So it has a blanket. And on the blanket, I forget the names, but it has the cat. And it also has the hamster. I don't know if you guys can see that good. But yeah, and then it also has the carrot as well. So yeah, it's just super cute and it's really, really soft. And you can like take it out as like a Ziploc thing, and you can take. I'm gonna have to probably like cut this part though. It's just like a little tie to it. But like, look how cute he is. They have other animals too, so you can go check it out. But oh my god, it's so cute.
I really want one.
But yeah, oh my god. But yeah, so that's kind of what we got. Kind of did, you know, some damage, but I mean, hey, it was like locally such good prices. So yeah, so I'll definitely go check out your Disney stuff. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and yeah, so give it a thumbs up and subscribe and comment and like and all that good stuff. So yeah, thanks for watching.